Today we are going to look at what's inside of a Bluetooth and also 2 GHz mouse. So this is I bought from AliExpress and it cost only around $1. So let's take a look at the inside. First, if we take the outer side, we can see it's basically works with Bluetooth and also 2 GHz. So normally they have their switch on in here and it says Bluetooth or 2.4 GHz. The switch, you can switch it whenever you want. So it has RGB lights, also this side line all around the mouse and also from the top of the mouse. This is powered by a lithium battery which is inside, and it can be rechargeable via USB Type-C. So let's get started. First we have to remove the adapter here, which is used for 2.4 GHz. Let's keep aside, and we have a screw right here. Using a screwdriver, you can unscrew it. Then we can go into the mouse. So here you have the normal operating buttons, keep aside, and here you have the battery which is used as rechargeable, and it's 400 milliampere hours, 3.7 volts. So this is the main motherboard of this mouse, and pretty basic. We have the scroll here and left button, right click, and also the button to set your DPI. So that's about the mouse, which you can buy online and can be used with both Bluetooth and also with 2.4 GHz. So thank you for watching. We'll find you in the next.